Top facts about pea proteins as meat replacers. Pea protein is a popular plant-based protein used in meat alternatives. Pea protein is a high-quality plant-based protein that contains all 9 essential amino acids. Pea protein is hypoallergenic, gluten-free, and has a high digestibility rate. Pea protein is a great option for vegans, vegetarians, and people who want to reduce their meat consumption. Pea protein requires less water and land compared to animal-based proteins. Pea protein has a lower carbon footprint than animal-based proteins. Pea protein is an effective ingredient in meat alternatives. Pea protein has a neutral flavor profile and can mimic the texture of meat. Pea protein is rich in iron, which is important for maintaining healthy red blood cells. Pea protein is a good source of fiber, which can help promote digestive health and prevent constipation. Pea protein is a versatile and nutritious protein source that can be easily incorporated into many different diets and dishes. We encourage you to try incorporating pea protein into your diets. If you wish to formulate your pet food with pea proteins, we at Sinonin Biotech possess expert knowledge and practical expertise in formulating with pea products. Talk to us today.